Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great out there. Maybe te ho hichi video vezo si na bon chava na damdiu kata sanin. Tu lai het so keo lockdown hi in coronavirus second wave zin gan thaina tamta kitu in hi zong le ta sidam na I Jing na layo pathin I thangwa ovin chi video ka hin bol lo na pen hi chilai anoya zong hin kisai na in gazeta in hi chi video ka bol masanga he kasai nom chu hi le. This is my first ever YouTube video, so I would like to ask you guys to support me, to help me by liking my video, subscribing to my channel, and then please do share. And then also there will be no editing in this video because I don't know how to edit much. I'm learning it. Please do help me, support me, and then so that I also learn from you all what to do and what not to. So hichi video hi kabol masanga he kaloi chi video ka hin bol da hi piti ka hin bol di ham tilahin kaloi nu ka hin colding ahi in kaloi nu ka hin colding in ama hi kaloi nu hi piji aka cold di ham tilahin recently in ka roommate ten hi ahi hanina ama ni hi ahi wanga to ahi mun chum chuma ka tawin ama ni hi coronavirus positive ahi hanina chi achu ama ni hi adam mon hana dam han hinam dama han hinam ipiti hanam tidan chu anat nan ho chu ka to ding ahi in ai bonova iza di ahi na hichi ama ka kul masang na ama ni ka kul masanga chu kasai nom chu biham ti le ama ni ka kul masanga chu til khat ka ve sa no mo na chi hi til tha zong ahi poina so na pa sa an chi jing skin craft ti hi na hichi hi ibonovin advertisement la api ham la imu so ke diu kata sanin hichi skin craft te hin abolo hi ahoi le zeng na advertise bol hoyovin product zong hi ala le zeng ti dan he na chi kin zong hin ka try nom zi chun advertisement hoi vat le ahoi le zeng zi chun kyong ka try nom men zi chun ka order ho linga chun ka lu den question ho zo si chon bon answer ka bolin they recommended me these three product. The first one is this one is face cleanser hi in na chi anomano mahi in katidan jo amho product hi ka choi sang hi poina hi chi epiji aka sai ham tilehin skin craft hi kana zangin thani ho lingta in kaza kal he ahi bang kama hi chang tip atama hi ina ka him product hi za ka try in ahi bang hin ka kitopi zong kha chang point amo hin chemical free, paraben free, pph free ati se venchen na. I was so excited to try it and then I ordered it. At last they came and then I was so disappointed katidan so busy at disappoint kahin tila kay dinga ka kitopi lo ham katina na as ichu ka za zo apat sa ka za zo chu henge ka skin ka chang tip nung ho hi dark spots ho hi ahung mangzap in na tila it lighten up all the dark circle and dark spots and this acne and or it brighten up, it lighten up chu ahina ina ahi wangin lakhat ho athing tain ka za zo kal chu ahi wangin changtip chu ahung tam che in changtip na ho chu anlin thain ahung san thazing in chi chun kyong chun kaloi nu khat hi a best friend khat hi skin craft aina tong ahi ati na ama chun skin craft hi na loi ho zango ma hele saip in lang za sa in ahoi poi adu da ati ve ati chuna hai banga no need to listen nan mana de ahile you can use it. A second na chu barrier repairing gel ati na chuket le khathi dark spot control serum ano mahina you can order and use it and try it out on your skin because my skin may be different from yours. Khat chu ka vat sa nom ke khat chu le chijong hina very famous Vedics chiong hi kasam hi dandruff tam ta kan hin na chukit le ka samjong hi apul pul jingin to azong hi chi thau hi kan no hin na oiling ka bol hi in che a second na packet se ta in na ka ki tu pil tho hi le kilomin ka samjong chu ahung hing do in na ahung chi a bag chu hi ti ahung hi na bora a cute de asanga hi chi na shampoo hi in anti hair fall shampoo hi in khat he chi anti hair fall oil hi in khat chu chi le hair regrowth serum akiti na chi hi biham ti le chi hin hair fall dandruff song a control hen chi ja chu dandruff alone is it hello phana chu chi ka za hin tha zong all in na anu me ka ti no me hin na so you can switch to Vedics if you like it, if you are interested. I mean chi tai lo wa chu shampoo kha jong conditioner kha jong ko order in na je chu first time I order in chun ke man ta in na very cheap they gave me and then they offer me this one with a very cheap price si achu ka kila now let's go ka ham jong ju ka ki no chal chulin piti hamin asu sa in jong kham thei poina ka loi no chu hin ko leng ka tin ki hope ni na
Hello.
Hi Kakuli.
Hi.
How are you?
Better now.
Oh, what about Shada? Is she in the village?
Yeah, she's in the village. She's not feeling good.
Okay. Yeah, I heard that your mom also is like positive. Like, how is she doing?
She's not good. She
Okay.
can't even eat. She can't even drink also.
Oh my god.
She's so much weak. Always she wants to sleep.
Oh.
Even in the dining table, she wants to sleep in there.
Okay.
She can't eat.
Okay. First, no, when you were positive, no, at first, like, what are the symptoms that first appear in your body, like?
Yeah, actually, I feel cold, fever, 102 degree.
Okay.
That's why I feel I should at least taste what's going on because fever is so high, 102, and also cold, cough also.
Okay.
That's why I should go. Then I tested and it's result positive.
Alright.
After that, they gave me lots of medicine. Every day I took 2 antibiotics.
Okay.
But my body pain starts, leg pain, joint pain, neck pain. Also, I can't even sleep whole day, whole
Okay.
night because of the headache and eye pain.
Alright. You have eye pain also?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I can't even open my eyes at least 2 to 3 minutes continue.
Okay.
I can't. And weakness, I can't even stand properly.
Oh.
Just wanna sleep.
Your muscles, like your muscles are paining, or like I mean, like
Yeah,
what about
whole
your?
body pain.
Oh, you have whole body pain, no?
Whole body pain, joint pain, leg pain, feet also pain.
Okay, okay. So, what are the precautions you are taking? Like, how did you overcome? I mean, like you are healthy now, no?
Yeah, I took the 3 to 4 times steam, hot
Okay,
steam.
okay.
And one time I at least try to do yoga. I at least try, can't, but try.
Okay,
And also
okay.
10 to 15 minutes every day, 10 to 15 minutes should walk. Continue. And also I take some hot water with haldi.
Okay,
Haldi.
okay.
This was the best medicine. Hot water with haldi, or
It's
else
effective,
you can
no?
take. Yeah, this is the best medicine, and this medicine can work in the body. In our body, infection can, at least infection नहीं होता है. So I took it every night.
Okay.
1 glass. And And the medicine they gave, lots of medicine they gave. Multivitamin everyone should take multivitamin.
Alright.
And vitamin B.
Vitamin C.
D is must once in a week. Vitamin D is so strong tablet. That's why once in a while we can take. Vitamin C 2 times in a day.
Okay.
Yeah, 2 times in a day. And after 5 days, it's already feeling like, okay, now I'm recovering. Feel like, okay, I'm recovering. At least we can eat. But in 5 days, starting from the first day to 5 days, no one can eat, no one wants to eat, drink, but should eat.
Yeah. We have to eat, otherwise we'll become weak,
no one can survive. No one can survive.
Yeah.
Because whole body is totally broken.
Alright.
So after, and my mama, she did a lot for me. Now I feel better because of her. I'm alive because of her. Because after 1 hour, every 1 hour, they gave me food.
Okay.
Yeah, every 1 hour. Otherwise, I can't survive.
And now mommy is feeling like
so much better than past time.
Okay. Mommy is taking care of you so nicely, and now she's sick, no? Feeling so bad. It's okay, no problem. Like everything will be alright, no? And then congratulations. So you overcome all this. You are so strong.
I strongly fight a lot.
Yeah.
Nobody should face this kind of, my God, this is so dangerous.
I think you are not fully recovering, no? Like
recovered not. Sometimes I get smell, but sometimes I can't even smell also.
Okay.
Yeah, smell, no taste, but I eat.
Alright.
I at least eat. Because if I live eating, then I can't survive. There's lots of medicine I have took now. And so medicine are so strong. That's why we have to eat.
Yeah, sure.
It takes at least 15 to 20 days for full recovering.
Okay. How many days already like yours?
I already passed, I think 12 days.
Okay.
12 or 15 days maybe. I survived lots of days because of I didn't took the vaccine. If I took vaccine, then I at least no need to survive this kind of disease.
Okay.
Yeah.
Vaccine, it's helping or not? I mean, like, have you? I mean, you are already vaccinated or what?
Nothing. No.
Okay.
That's why I'm survived. That's why I'm facing this problem. If I got vaccinated, I don't want to. Actually, if I got vaccinated. After that, अगर positive होती भी थी, फिर भी only for 2 days. But I didn't take vaccine now. That's why I faced this kind of problem.
Me too. Not vaccinated.
I got vaccinated. So good. My papa took both vaccine. That's why he at least
he survived, no? I mean, like, he's strong, yeah.
And also papa bring me food also. He touched me also.
Okay.
But he got vaccinated. That's why it's okay.
Okay.
So I always suggest please vaccinate.
Okay, yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Okay, baby, thank you for your time. Stay strong, be healthy. We'll meet you soon.
Be safe and got vaccinated also.
Yeah, sure. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Chachu hiin. Ama he kaloi nu he mi gong chakhat hi na. Mi thau let kai tabanga mi ta sa hat that jong hi poina. ai ho thing thang mi te ho he aki hat thein am ho he ti se di ha newa pa sa na ima tong lo na ham tong lo hi zibin at ti se dam ai ho to te ding in chun physically ti dinga na they are tham kha chu big na khat ane win na ahi wangin chi ho zo si galin ta ahin zawe ti ding ahi na mi te ho ko ma ka sai nom chu pi ham ti le adi ti a nu le pa te ho in mona ti le village langa ho ko ma ka sai nom chu chi vaccine hi chi ki kap de hi ki chapo din na ji chu to ka loi no sai banga chu na amo hi kaloi nu hi vaccine lo ke kap lo lai he na apa hi lo ani ta ke kap ta ti na ke ong ke kap nai po ji chun ipi ham jong ke poi na ani ina ke kap be ti in chi ja chu apa hin ni si in bu enjoy pi ji ti in ka ta sa jong atong kha in na ai thamin ai wang ka pa hi avei poi ti na chi achu vaccine chu ki kha ma hi le ni ki ve jong le chun ni kalwal aki na poi ti na ki dam do pe pe ti da na ho sain chi chun lo hi a hi thaya hi le chun opportunity ta chance uma hi le hin ki ka motin chke le tua kaloi nun asai banga chu tu coronavirus second wave hi to na hi te poi na achu mi tam ta hi chilaya hi mi tam ta hi ve hi ta in na chi as ke hong in ka po do po in pam lang ang ka va do zi te po in chun no hozong nom na mo na wa hai ta lo le ai phadya ne ki ko yo wa ne ki vet do wa ne ki zan diu chu ka ging chama ma in chi chun i bon chi ke win dam se le no mo hitin azona in chi video ka chai ko nin ka sai nom ke kha chu please like subscribe and then press the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I post new video. Thank you. Bye bye.